Hi, if you had a really long day, you feel tired and lot of fatigue, then this flow is for you. All you need yoga mat yourself, probably a wall and a will to flow with me. So let's get started with this evening yoga flow. For that, sit comfortably, preferably in Vajrasana. Keep your toes pointed at the back. You can keep both the knees together or apart. Have hands over the knees and gently close your eyes. To begin with, first center yourself with your breath. As I say, you inhale and then exhale slowly. Inhale and then exhale. And then inhale here again and exhale. Gently spread your hands right in front of the body. Try keeping the hips really down over your heels. Keep looking forward after opening your eyes and just feel the nice deep stretch in your shoulders and in your lower body. Now come on all fours and then inhale here and exhale. Try to shift your body weight from side to side. Practice 3 to 4 rounds and then eventually spread your hands in front of the body very gently. Keep your hands active and bring up the head up and down and then fold your hands, have palms over the shoulder blades and shift your body weight as you push your hips back by pointing your toes at the back. Now shift your weight to the upper arm and then extend one hand ahead and one folded to the side and give this a good nice stretch to your shoulder blades and to your upper body. Do the same from the other side. And then inhale and come on all fours. Inhale, look up. Exhale, curl your spine and look at the navel, chin to chest. Keep your feet pointed in or out. Inhale, exhale again. Inhale, look all the way up. Exhale, curl your spine. Inhale. Exhale. Now sit up right and eventually extend your legs right in front of the body. Now at this point, fold your right leg. Bring the feet over the left thigh and push your right knee up and down and practice the hip opening from the right side of the hip while keeping the left leg active and completely pointed towards you. Now bring up close to your arms your right leg and practice rolling a baby. In that circumstances, keep your spine straight and then eventually release and extend your right leg and fold the left one. Do the same, figure 4, and keep pushing your knee up and down and use your left hip stretch as a strong foundation for the next pose, which is cradling the baby by holding the leg. Exhale and extend your leg back. Again inhale, fold the right leg. Inhale, hands goes up. Exhale into Janu Shirshasana. Hands can be over the big thumb or at the shin bone. Keep your spine straight, that's important. And breathe nicely. As you exhale and inhale, hands up. Exhale, release. Again, fold the left side of the leg. Inhale, hands goes up. Exhale, Janu Shishasana. Breathe and continue holding the pose. Inhale, exhale. Now extend both the legs together. And I have a simple Dandasana where you keep yourself active and try grabbing both the big toes using your fingers. Keep your spine straight and then eventually twist to the left side by extending the left hand to the back. Hold it up there, breathe. Back to center. Now change the side and extend the right hand to the right side. Hold and breathe. And then exhale back to center. Now from here, fold the right leg, bring the right foot next to left knee. Use your left hand to support. Use the right hand to go all the way back to practice twist pose on the right side. Breathe. Exhale, release back to center, extend the right leg and now fold the left leg, bring the left foot next to right thigh. Use your left hand to twist to the left side of the body by using the right hand as a support to hold up the knee. Twist to the left side, breathe. And keep your spine straight, keep looking at the back. Exhale, back to center. Now from here, come on all fours. And then eventually as you inhale, lift your knee up into downward facing dog. And then start paddling your one knee at a time. And breathe. Breathe nicely. And then eventually hold the downward facing dog and continue breathing. And then exhale, drop your knees with control and sit upright. Now from here, gently lie down on your back. Fold your knees. Now bring the right foot over the left knee to practice figure 4 while lying down. Watch for the stretch on your hips and be mindful about it. And then eventually extend the right leg and drop it with control to use your core as an engagement. Then fold the right leg. This time do the left-sided hip opening. And then eventually with a bigger exhale, you inhale and lift up the leg in the 90 degree and with exhale, drop the leg with control. Now at this point, readjust your feet and hand and then eventually inhale and lift it up in bridge pose. Breathe nicely. Continue breathing and then exhale, drop it down. Again, inhale, lift your hips off the floor and hold the pose. Breathe and then exhale, release. Now fold knees together, bring close to your chest, lift your head, and do not put any strain on your neck. And practice hugging the knees. This will bring out all the stress and discomfort from your spine and body, and then eventually extend the legs to the sides of the yoga mat and place your hands over the belly or to the sides of the body and close your eyes and start breathing mindfully. Use this time to completely surrender and relax. As you breathe in, your belly goes up, and as you breathe out, you feel your belly sinking in. Feel this nicely. And stay very aware as you relax in terms of your breath. Let your body relax completely. Let all the stress, unwanted chaos, unwanted noise, exhaustion, fatigue, tiredness go away from your body. Use this time to relax all the muscles, the big muscles, the small muscles. Relax. Feel how this practice, Shavasana, can make you feel comfortable as you focus on your breathing. Feel how it changes the way your day was, how it made you feel tired, and how you start feeling more relaxed. Your breath is slowly getting into the natural breathing rhythm, and slowly you feel how restful and relaxed you are, how calm and composed and together you feel with yourself. As any thoughts come in your mind, just let it pass and relax and just start focusing on your breath, your inhalations and exhalations. And let all the discomfort from your legs, arms, torso, spine, neck, head, front of your head, facial muscles, everything is feeling relaxed and happy. You can choose to practice this Shavasana for as long as you want, or you can also fall asleep right in this pose. This will really help in controlling and making your nervous system more calm and organized. Relax nicely. And feel how your legs, arms are feeling relaxed. How your spine, upper spine, middle spine, lower spine, hips, your pelvic floor, your belly, your chest is feeling open, relaxed. Your facial expressions are also feeling relaxed. Your head is not spinning around with all the thoughts. You may be more aligned and focused. And whenever you feel ready, you can start making some gentle movements by stretching your body in a single line as long as possible, and then eventually, with control, shift your body to the side and with support, sit upright. Like I said, you can continue this practice for as long as you want, or you can end this practice right here. And whenever you feel ready, you can start making some gentle movements. Start rubbing your palms together, gather the energy over the face and everywhere, and gently open your eyes and look in between the palms. I wish you a great restful evening ahead, and I hope you get to practice this more often whenever you need this. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and bye bye.